So in a situation like this, the sprinkler itself is still fine, but as you can see, I broke the sprinkler head here. So I only need to replace the sprinkler head. So how do you do that? Well, you can screw off this top part. And now this comes out. Now the container of the sprinkler is still in here. You can also unscrew this and take this out as well if you want to replace the entire sprinkler. But I only need to replace the sprinkler head itself. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it with this new one that I bought here. Gonna unscrew this top part. Now if you have a pair of pliers, that'll be pretty handy here. Okay, so remove this one. And they all come with filters, so it's nice to check these filters here. This one's not too bad, but the new ones come with the new filter anyways. So now I'm gonna go ahead, put the new filter in first, and then I'm gonna screw on the new sprinkler head. Okay, so that's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this back in now. That on there nice and snug. Now I like these adjustable ones, so you can change the spread anywhere from 0 to 360 degrees. And then this one also goes between 12 to 15 feet. Now there's different variations if that's something that you're interested in. So it has a little arrow here saying that if you want to increase the distance, you will turn the screw to the right. Now the opening, I feel the groove right here, so the opening on mine is currently pointed up. I want it pointed down, so I'm just going to go ahead and spin this around. All right, and that should be good right around there. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out. All right, I have a little bit too wide of a spray, so I'm going to twist this in. Notice how if I twist it in, it narrows the spread. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the spread here. Now if I go to the right, notice how the spread becomes very short, but as I loosen the screw, the spread increases. So I'm going to open this up to the max here. All right, so there you go. That's how you fix a sprinkler head.